Okay, started.
Fuck.
Okay,
Have you already tried them, Josh?
So he just
just
keeps
killed that
licking your freaking legs. Dude!
Tried them?
That's
Yes.
too dark.
Hang on, let me do this.
So how many do you even have?
You'll see it in
Is that a light? Careful! Careful, careful, careful. Careful, careful.
Look at tiny star! It's so cute! It's like...
Rosie, back away.
It's so cute! Oh my god! Look, it's falling down and be like...
Oh, it's smoking like crazy.
Yeah, but it actually looks like tiny little fireworks. You're holding
We gotta make sure Sadie doesn't go down there though.
What is that,
It's like
Vader?
you're holding fireworks in your hand.
What is
Frank.
that, Vader?
It's fireworks on a stick. Oh, jeez. I can't.
See, that's why you gotta be careful. That's the thing. Usually out in the streets better, but I don't know how people are around here.
They leave a little trail behind. That's adorable.
Rosie, I swear, stop getting it so close to me. It's freaking scary. Other people are doing fireworks too.
With the light? Yeah, it does. I forgot about that.
Sadie's there.
Oh my god, I can just see yours. But they leave a lot of smoke. These ones are going for a long time.
Yeah, she's not used to it. She's not used to it. Hi.
Oh, she's
Hiding.
scared.
It's so scared. You recalling Mama?
Yeah, I hung up on her somehow.
Mom? Whee.
I'm trying to draw a star, but it's...
Hearts.
I'm drawing like a cursive.
Sadie's literally hiding right now. Oh god, the smell of the smoke is crazy. I guess maybe her phone died.
I don't know. It's been tweaking on her.
Rosie, I swear, stop, please. Oh, it's a little Sadie hiding. It's too dark.
Wait, what about when it comes really close?
That won't hurt. It doesn't burn. It doesn't burn. Once you touch that metal, you end up where it's been hot. Yeah, but otherwise it's sparks. No, they don't.
The sparks don't do nothing? Really? You don't feel anything at all? They're so cute. They actually are little fireworks.
Sure.
They're little fireworks. So
Yeah,
cute.
there's nothing.
It's an actual little firework. Oh my god, what does it feel like?
Nothing.
No, thank you. I'm not gonna try touching it. No, thank you. Looks like electro bolts.
I know, but it also looks like little
the flame was
fireworks. I think one almost touched me.
Ah!
It's
Ah!
little fireworks.
Down there.
Little tiny,
There's one there, maybe.
adorable fireworks.
There's usually this windy.
Like you can see them, they're so cute. Just like
So it lasts about 3 minutes.
Are you sure you don't feel anything at all?
Oh, yeah. The roads is going to be going out very soon. Yours will be going out.
Mine's gonna go out soon too.
Serena's is,
Still has a bit of time.
Serena's is just about there, too.
Wait,
Oh
can you
no,
read
it's
them?
going
There's
out.
still stuff left over the longest.
Bye bye.
I did Rosie's first. Thank you.
Time.
Okay.
They're all out now?
Because they're hot. So
Wait.
I don't want Sadie getting burned.
Since there's still some of the stuff on there, would
No,
you
that's
be
burnt.
able to read through it?
No, that's burnt. That's all.
Is there any more?
That's it.
That was cool. You watering the plants now?
Grass a little bit. I won't be here tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be sleeping. We're gonna leave you guys. I'm gonna leave you guys a note.
Of things to do?
No. Yeah, one thing to majorly do. Around 11 o'clock,
If we're here.
turn the air conditioner on too long so you can sleep.
But the thing, we
Oh, you
If
can
we're
put it
here in time.
come out at 12 something.
Well, then, yeah.
Once we get home, we turn it on then. Hi, baby.
That's right. They go tomorrow, babe.
Are you good, baby?
I keep forgetting.
We'll turn it on when we come back.
Yeah, when you get home, flip it on.
Flipper, flipper.
Wait, on or off?
Flippy flipper.
Part over here. John, on or off?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, John. John, do we flip them on or off?
Okay. Mama might turn it on.
Wait, on or
Uh-huh.
What?
Well, I guess that's it. Who's your good baby? It's too dark. Nothing but black. Oh, well. Say hi to YouTube, Rosie. That you cannot see. It's too dark. You can see inside the house. Anything you would like to say to the video? Hey, John.
What happened?
Happy Father's Day.
Oh, thank you.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy John.